meantime, the family of the student who has also spoken out exclusively to Times Now in this matter, questioning the school authorities, and they have been also mulling as far as the protests that are also concerned to take a legal action and asking the education department to probe further into what is now being taught to the students at this private school.
I just want to question to all the educational institutes what actually happening, because writing such things on the student diaries is literally impacting their mental health, and those kids are even unaware of it. I know Muslim kids are really aware of these situations, and we are absolutely fine that they are following their religion. I do not object any religion here. I do not object anyone here. Just the only thing is, was it intentional? If the teacher was mentioning that I was written it by mistake, then you have already written it earlier, then you are again writing it, and it is definitely the point of benefit. What we feel is it was intentional. I just want to make one thing clear: if students, if parents are trusting your institutions and joining there, just keep that trust and give the quality of education to the people, to the students, because we are paying, we are having a lot of issues, and we want our kids to go in a good path. You intentionally creating issue where these religious aspects are getting into the educational institutions.
Let's connect with Somit on this. So Somit, exclusively speaking to the family that seems to be involved as far as this controversy is concerned. We have seen the protests that have also happened, but action has been initiated with the termination of the teacher in question. What are they now looking for? What are they now demanding?
Well, the parents are very much clear, and Supriya ji, who has confronted the management yesterday, we have spoken to her exclusively, and in exclusive conversation, she has clearly stated that, she has raised these objections. Initially, management stated that it's mandatory, but later on, after seeing the realization, they have, after realizing about the incident, they have taken the action on the teacher and terminated the employee. And she has also stated that this shouldn't be repeated again, and we are right now sorting out the issue with the police and also management. So basically, they are taking back the complaint, is what she has stated. So massive drama here. We can clearly see the situation here on ground. I know already massive police deployment on the ground. We can clearly see. And one side, they've clearly stated that the BJP has no permission. And just now, BJP leaders, the local leaders have staged a protest here, and they've been taken into the preventive custody. And several others have tried to reach here, and they've been taken into the preventive custody. So, like I was mentioning before, and like we were reporting from the spot here, we can clearly see here police vehicles, and also the barricades have been put in place, and the entire lane has been barricaded, and in this lane itself the parents do stay, and one side the parents have also spoken to us, the students aren't, where she has clearly stated that right now they are happy with the action taken, and at the same time police have also stated that they'll be not allowing anyone to stage a protest here. And on the other hand, the inquiry from the education department is still going on. They are inside as we speak. The officer from the education department has arrived around a couple of hours ago, and still the inquiry is being conducted inside, and they are recording the statements from the school management side, is what we have been given to understand. And at the same time, a detailed report will be submitted to the hierarchy, to the higher, to the DO, is what we are given to understand. So one side, detailed inquiry is being conducted. On the other side, huge police deployment on the ground, and on the other side, even the school management, has taken, action on the employment.
All right, but they are welcoming as far as this action that has been taken against the teacher in question there. But political reactions are also coming in. Somit, please to stay on with us. We're going to put out exactly what the opposition in the state of Telangana is now saying, because the BJP here is now alleging that there have been many such cases that have now come to the fore under the leadership of Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and this is one of such examples there as far as which involves a private school. Let's in the meantime play them out.
Shocking incident which came out to the light in Saidabad private school, wherein a Hindu student was asked to write kalama and read kalama, and it was written by the teacher in the book. We feel that the management is responsible, and these are the ways by which the schools which are run by certain people are indulging in conversions. Termination is not the answer to it. The DO should take action against the school. The Telangana State Government Education Department should take action against the school.
Asaduddin Owaisi, who speaks about secularism and stood about hijab right, is completely silent. It's aptly clear that Rahul Gandhi's Congress and Asaduddin Owaisi are hands in glove, and they are attempting to convert Hindu students by forcing them to recite Kalma. Since no action has been taken against the school authorities and the teachers, it's aptly clear that now has it become part of the Congress party's policy. The Congress party's pseudo-secularism and anti-Hindu policies exposed by not acting against the private school and those who attempted and motivated and forced the second-class student, a Hindu student, to recite Kalma.
A teacher forces a young Hindu child by a directive to recite Islamic prayers. This is in a way forcible conversion of the child. This is completely illegal and unconstitutional. But rather than take action, till now neither the school nor the state government nor the police has taken any kind of action. There must be a detailed probe as to what were the facts and circumstances, but this is not the first such case that's taken place. Many such cases have taken place in Hyderabad under Revant Reddy's watch. And we have also seen the manner in which Revant Reddy himself, the Chief Minister himself, he's saying Congress means Muslims.
Now, in the meantime, as far as this private school in question, there has been an update because what the school management, according to sources, have been saying that they are claiming that they did not know about this issue. They were oblivious and saying that they've called it as a small issue that seems to have been blown out of proportion. Meanwhile, also asking the parents not to turn this into a big issue, the protest that we have seen happening, and the school management has also in the meantime reached out to the affected parents and saying that immediate action on part of the school that has been taken. So let's put the matter to a rest here. So Somit, on part of the school, of course, officially we are still waiting if they would be giving out a statement on this or not, but they believe that action has been taken and the chapter needs to be closed here.
Well, that's right, Amita, and this is what we have learned from the top sources of the school management, also from the police side, because this is what they have informed the police, and police sources have confirmed it 2 times now, that the school management has already spoken to the parents, and we have also spoken to the parents. They are ready to take back the complaint, and they are satisfied with the action taken by the school. So this is on record stated by Supriya. So when we have learned from the sources, they clearly stated that the school management spoke to the parents and asked them to not turn this into a big issue, because we can clearly see here on the ground this has now snowballed into a big controversy where BJP leaders are demanding action from the district education officer. Already inquiry is being conducted on the school grounds. So one side, the school management is saying that action has been taken and please don't make this issue big, and even trying to pacify the parents, trying to convince them, stating that action has been initiated. And on the other hand, when it comes to the on-ground situation, BJP has given a call, and few BJP leaders have already been house arrested. And police stated that they will initially inquire into the matter. But when the school management spoke to the parents,
yes. So there has been involvement of the police as well here and asking that the issue be resolved as far as the affected parents in the school management. The school management already has initiated action against the teacher in question, with the termination now being handed over. Thank you very much, Somit, for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's in the meantime